So hey, hi guys, Ajas this side. I'll try to keep this video very crisp. So I'm here to explain you about one of the projects that I've been working on since past one and a half month, which is a perpetual trading platform. This project was given to us at Super 30 by Harkirat Bhaiya, and initially we started making a V1, which was a basic front end, a back end with some bunch of APIs that create orders and everything for the perpetual trading platform. But eventually we moved on to V2, and this V2 has pretty interesting system architecture, which I would love to show. So let's head back to the screen. I'll share my screen and I'll show you the entire application and the architecture. So this is the front end that we have made. I'll explain the overview. This is where all the candles and all the charts are getting created. This is the order book. These are all the market rates that we have placed till now. Currently we don't have any orders, we'll place it. After that, this is the place where we place order from. Please place, okay, this is the form, and this is the panel where we have all the positions and orders history. These are all the markets that we have currently. This whole place is known as ticker. So we have mark prices, the last traded price. This is the index price. This price comes from Binance, from the WebSocket. I'll show you it in the dev tools as well. So yeah, this is the flow, this is the front end, this is the architecture. So what we have here is we are at Sol USD market. So we have 3 accounts. So yeah, let's place a trade on Sol USDT itself. We want to buy cheaper always. So let's do 5 quantity at cheaper 75. If we place the order is here now. It would be reflected in everyone. We have 3 users. So user 2 has placed an order of $75 for 5 quantity, and now let's place a short by another user at the same price as a limit order. So this is a limit order at, let's do a 3 quantity, place order. Also, while placing the order, you can check the open orders and the fills history currently. This is the current fills history. If I place the order, 3 of these quantities would be fulfilled for this user and this user as well, and 2 would be remaining that we would close by, let's do a market order by 3rd user. So we place the order, you can see the quantity has been reduced, and here it is. We have opened a position of short, and here if you see in open orders we had 5, 3 is filled. In fills history it has been updated, in positions it has been updated, balances as well. So the 2 remaining quantity, let's use 3rd user and create a market order for the best price possible for 2 quantities. Let's do for 5 quantity. Only 2 of them will be filled, 3 of them won't, because there is no order. So if I place the order, everything on the order book is gone, the candle has been created. For that specific, we have fills history that only 2 of the quantity has been filled at this specific price. Also the balances have changed. So these all things, this kind of way order happens, and you might have seen the candle change right now. So before, also the most important thing that I would love to show is WebSockets. So currently these are, okay, we'll reload the page for you to see the socket connection. So you can see this is the main socket. It has subscribed to 3 channels: depth, trade and ticker for Sol USDT. And because we are on this market itself, this happens for everyone whoever comes to this specific market. So we have subscribed these 3 channels. Now what these 3 channels are: depth is nothing but the price that you had seen here. The other 2, what we have, ticker is the one that has been changing here, the index price, and the 3rd is ticker. Trade is the one that has been happening in here. So every update in the WebSocket at this channels would be sent to this specific socket. So you can see multiple ticker changes, position changes, prices, position as the the index prices are getting changed, the positions PNL, profit and loss for this specific unrealized PNL also gets changed. So that's it. Okay, so the best thing we can do right now, if you want to see all the live trades, this is like very boring, right? So if you place one order at a time, you won't be able to see a real simulation the way Backpack does or the way any other trading platform does. So we have a simulation feature where you can select the specific market, it creates a bunch of bots and it places the order. This does not happen only on the front end level, it places these orders on the back end. Everything goes via API calls, and multiple orders gets placed and everything happens. So I'll show you. If I start simulation with this speed as well, okay, let's start a simulation. It created the bots, and you can see the bids, asks are getting placed. So here the orders are getting placed, the candles are getting changed. You won't see anything in the open orders fills is your positions, because these orders are in bots accounts, not our personal users account. So you can see it's the same changes happening over other markets. The candles are getting created. That's it. This is the most simulation and WebSocket thing. I can also show you the timescale DB. Also, along with this, I'm working on some other projects as well. Most of them are AI projects that I would love to show, that I've been working on for past one and a half month as well, along with this. So I don't know how many of you guys have stayed till here in this video. If this video gets good retention rate of the audience, I would upload that video in the specific format as well, because I feel this video is going to get long, about 10 minutes or so. So yep, that's it. If you like the video, let me know in the comments. If you need anything else, I'll be sharing all the resources in the tweet. And yep, that's it. Okay, bye.